I'm back at Dale, where I just want to go for a little walk and continue testing out my Canon R6 Mark II with different lenses. And today I'm on the old EF 24 to 105mm f4 lens. This lens has lens stabilization, it's weather sealed, it feels very robust and solid. And also I like having this reach all the way to 105 millimeters. I'm just filming handheld today because I didn't want to carry the gimbal with me. So I've turned on lens stabilization, and I'm also using the first level of digital stabilization. It's a very grey and overcast Sunday afternoon. The sky is completely white. So there's a lot of old, run-down, abandoned buildings in this area. They all used to belong to the old mental hospital. I know there are some walking trails on the other side of that little hill over there. So I'm trying to see if I can find a trail that intercepts those other trails there. But it's beginning to rain. So there's a deer walking there. I think there's actually two. Maybe the other one is a little bit behind. So I tried to follow the deers, but they ran away so quickly. And I was making too much noise as I was trying to move through the woods. There's a lot of these trees that has fell over and doesn't feel too safe walking under them. But I guess if I just move quickly past them, I'll hopefully be okay. So the ground here is very wet and soggy because we have had so much rain since since the end of September almost. There's another tree leaning against the rest of them, just waiting to fall all the way down. There's a lot of these very big boulders strewn all over the floor of this forest. So I found a way back to the marked trail. There's a lot of people out walking, even today in this kind of weather. Well, the temperature is okay, it's about 10 degrees and there's no wind. So you can see the marking on the stone there. Telling you where to go, and there's another marking on that tree over there. So I can hear the sound of running water. So there's a little creek coming down here. So if you look in between these trees, you can actually see water. It's the ocean, or Gansfjord. We've got some really thick fog now coming in, and also the rain is pouring down. Okay, so I'm back at the main hospital building where the car park is. So I have to just get back to the car and dry off.